This is a quick video to make an ice cream mint chocolate chip ice cream shake or sundae. I used some clear Gorilla Glue and some small chocolate sprinkles, and I wiped that on the inside of the glass and let it dry overnight. Then I mixed some light green and white paint until it was the same color as the clay that I was using for the ice cream. I painted the inside of the glass, trying not to disturb any of the chocolate sprinkles. The Gorilla Glue held pretty well. I think I only lost one or two during this process. I used plenty of paint and made sure that the inside of the glass was completely covered so that you couldn't see through it. I made one of the ice cream toppers ahead of time, and I did this by taking some of the Pam spray and greasing my mold. I'm using an air dry clay from Glitz and Glue. It's a mint green color. I conditioned the clay and then took some of the chocolate sprinkles and put it in the mold before pressing the clay into it. The sprinkles are from Play Code 3. By putting the sprinkles in the mold before I put the clay in, it helped it to adhere to the clay and still kept the shape of the ice cream. I repeated this process for one more piece of ice cream, as I wanted 3. And I took about 3/4 of a toilet paper roll holder and I cinched the end of it and taped it secure because I wanted it to fit down in the smaller part of my glass without scraping the sides. I took a blow dryer and made sure that my paint was completely dry before progressing. I rolled out some of the same color of the clay and covered my piece of cardboard. I cinched the end that would go down on the bottom, and then I flattened the top. I used some tacky glue down in the bottom just to make sure that the clay had something to stick to. I used another piece of the same color clay and shaped it to go over the top of the other one just to make sure that there was a flat top on the glass. I put a few more chocolate sprinkles on just in case my whipped cream didn't cover the top surface completely. I wanted to make sure that it looked like there was ice cream in the glass. Before placing the ice cream, I took some lightweight spackle and a little white paint, put it in a pastry bag with a small star tip on it. And I piped in circles around the top of the glass. I went about 3/4 of the way and then began to place my ice cream. Then I took some material that I make in-house. It's my own special formula that I use for drips and some piping and some drizzling on cookies. I color it to match the same color as things that I'm doing. I make it in a heavyweight and a lightweight variety. I started piping some down the sides to make it look like the ice cream was spilling out of the glass or melting down the side. After finishing with the drip, I go ahead and place the straw. And then using some more drip for the spoon, I decide that the spoon needs to go on the front and the tip of the spoon resting on the bottom of the glass. So this is our finished product. It looks good. It looks fairly realistic. I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions about this tutorial or how to make anything that you've seen me do, just be sure to message me and I'll get back with you. I appreciate you watching today. This is Andy from Two Perspectives.